Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag SP.NET C# tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the Captcha code in login page. So, in previous videos, we already learned how to create the Captcha code. In this video, we'll learn how to use the Captcha code in my login page. So, let me open my Visual Studio. And in previous videos, we learned how to create the login page, registration page, and other pages as per our requirement. So we have to already have the login page. Let me open, let me check. This is my login page. Here I am going to include the captcha code. So go to let me open the first. This is simple coding for the login page. I have taken one h1 tag, header tag, then one label for the display my error message, and second level this for my email address, and this is the text box for the email address, so where I can insert my email address, and label this is for the displaying the password word, and there the password is there, so there we can insert the password. So text mode I am taking the password, so it won't be visible to the user directly. So next I am just going to call the as call the captcha code. So here I have taken one image tag from the toolbox. You can take the image tag is there. So image tag I am giving the ID for that one, captcha image ID for that, and I'm giving some size for the image 40 and 150, and I'm calling the my captcha page. So my captcha code generation page I already created in my previous video. If you have any doubt, then go through that page. So I'm going to open the my captcha page. So my captcha page, in the on page load page, I have written some code. I have called the assembly and the libraries for that, and here the code for the generating the captcha code. And after generation the captcha code, I'm just creating one session. On that session and session ID, session key, session captcha, and there I'm just storing the session with the lowercase. So go to the login page. So I'm calling the captcha code here, and next I am taking one text box. I am giving the ID for the captcha code ID for that, and not using any class css, and placeholder I am just entering the enter your captcha code. Let me run that page. So right click on that, or view in browser, or you can run it from here also. See, my captcha code is visual. Every refresh my captcha code will be changes there. See, so this will come with the session also. So now what I'll do, I'll just submit this page, and I'll check the captcha code is correct or not. So right click on that and go to the view code. Here first of all, before login, I'll just check the captcha code. Captcha is correct or not. Captcha is inserted correct or not. Okay. Okay, so this is the ID for the captcha code text box. Come and see that this is the captcha code text box ID, and same ID I'm calling, and text dot to lower. I'm just changing this one to lowercase. So returns a copy of the string converted to the lowercase. So this will become a lowercase, and already we have in session the captcha code, and that captcha code I'm just already the captcha code is in lowercase. So my captcha already is in session that is in lowercase. Okay, so here I'm checking with the lowercase. If everything goes correct, means whatever the inserting captcha and what captcha we have kept in the session, so both are equal, then only we'll go inside. Otherwise we'll go to the just write a message to the user. Okay, captcha is correct. Please insert correct captcha code. I'm giving the that LBL error message. This is the label, head label. I'm just selecting the, I'm just giving the error message on that. I'm for color, I'm giving the red, and now I'm going to close the, okay, no need to close it, already closed above. So this message will come. Now let me refresh the page and let me insert the incorrect captcha 549 like this. Okay? Then submit. Captcha code is incorrect, please correct captcha. Okay, so now I'm going to write the correct captcha 69439 C. Small c or capital C, that doesn't matter because already we converted into a lowercase. So now I'm going to submit. So this submitted, so we logged in. So this is the in this video we learn how to use the captcha code in the login page with the session. Thank you for watching.